Union Minister Jitendra Singh participated in the cleanliness drive and reviewed the action plan for the entire month. He exhorted all the employees of DST to devote 2 hours a week, 100 hours in a year as Shramdan to the nation for achieving Swachhata Mission. Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, formally announced the campaign of Swachh Bharat in the Ministry of Science and Technology in New Delhi. He participated in the cleanliness drive and reviewed the action plan for the entire month. Addressing the scientists, officers, staff, Singh emphasized the need for cleanliness, which would play a major role in bringing about major attitudinal change in one and all towards cleanliness. He exhorted all the employees of DST to devote 2 hours a week, that is 100 hours in a year as Shramdan to the nation for achieving Swachhata Mission, as envisaged by the Prime Minister, towards creating a Swachh Bharat that was the dream of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
No, no, this is just a part of an awareness campaign. Of course, cleanliness is a continuous process. It doesn't have to end. But through these campaigns, we try to cultivate a natural habit amongst us and make everybody aware of the kind of stake that we have in cleanliness. If we have cleanliness around, it will be cleanliness within also. Cleanliness of mind, cleanliness of brain, cleanliness of thinking, better performance, better potential, better work. And collectively, the whole nation can contribute much more. And the kind of stuff that we have cleared through this campaign from the offices, the junk furniture, the outdated files, which were almost a source of infection and disease. And when our colleagues in the offices realized that when they were going home and carrying all this contamination home and also infecting their children, they would naturally have this feeling that, look here, if you maintain cleanliness here, over here, it is also in the interest of their children and their family. And if that kind of awareness comes, then it will become a natural habit with every citizen of this country. And that is actually what we want to achieve.
Powered by NNIS.